Hello, I'm Steve Cantor with Other Foods Kitchen. I appreciate you watching this video. I'm going to jump right in. Every food business starts the same way. A recipe, a kitchen, the thought. Maybe other people would love this too. But reality sets in. You need a commercial kitchen. You need food safety compliance, packaging, labels, distribution, and the way to track ingredients, recipes, production. Most great food ideas never make it past this stage, but some do. At Other Foods Kitchen, food entrepreneurs get the tools they need to turn ideas into real food brands. Members produce their food in certified commercial kitchen designed specifically for small food producers. No expensive build-outs, no long leases, just the space and equipment you need to start. Once the food is produced, it's packaged and labeled, ready for customers. This is where a hobby starts to become a real business. Create products that sell. Yes, all kinds of products. Behind the scenes, software tracks everything. Ingredients, recipes, batch production, lot traceability, sales. This makes it possible for even small producers to operate with the same discipline as large food companies. Producers can see exactly what they made, what it cost, where it was sold, what to produce next. Better information leads to better decisions. Producers can sell their products through established sales channels, including cafes, grab-and-go locations, retail partners, real products, real customers. Sell online with e-commerce. Sell at local cafes, restaurants, farmers markets, grocery stores. Love to hear from you. Reach out. You have a wonderful day.